everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Berry Mix Journals over at Instagram. For today, I have a quick flip through of my latest design theme project for the ThePaperCameo. This journal it has a religious theme to it because I used all of the Ave Maria Kits from Nicola's Etsy shop, but I also added in a few of the blue-based kits, blue-based digital kits from her Etsy shop as well. You can find all of those in the description notes below. And I also added a lot of religious ephemera, vintage ephemera in this journal, and they're mostly from Petit Papier. That's Sarah. I'll also link her shop below. And the gorgeous ribbons like you see in this one are from my scrap bin. So I'll also link those below. They're all in Etsy, and I will not be talking much about in this video. It's a very short one. I hope you enjoyed the pages. If you're interested in purchasing this one, please do send me a note. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.